Hey, it's Mike here, and I want to show you how easy it is for you to Zoom and record from your class. As you can see here, I've got a Zoom session open, and I've got my camera pointed at my class over here. And all I need to do is make sure that I have my recording turned on, and if you notice, I'll just show you what it looks like from the desk here. So let me pause this and I'll just show you what it looks like. So here I am at the podium, and you can see I'm logged into that Zoom session, and there's going to be a camera right here. It's going to be somewhere on the desk, this webcam, and it should be pointed maybe at the computer at first, or at the person speaking at the computer rather. But then all you need to do is kind of just turn it, and sometimes there will be a tripod, sometimes there won't be a tripod, and then you'll just take a look and see what it looks like on your screen. And you notice that's pointing kind of up in the air, and I'll just move that down a little bit, and now it's pointing at the students. And now I can just go ahead and sit down in one of those chairs, and I'll be part of the Zoom conversation. So let me turn this off and I'll show you what that looks like. So here I am, I'm in the classroom and I'm speaking normally, and hopefully you can hear my voice as I'm looking at the camera, or I could be looking at the board. And so it's very easy for me to move the camera facing the audience. All I have to do is spin it around. And then you'll hear the students. You may not hear them perfectly, but you know, the students who are closer to the microphone, they'll be picked up a lot better the way that you hear me now. And that's basically all you need to do to record the student side of things when you're in a Zoom